Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another haul video for you tonight. It is going on 10:30 this evening. It's pretty late for us, but I'm going to turn it over to Kathy, and she's going to show you what we found. This is actually from a few different places over the last few days or a week or so, but I'm going to let Kathy explain everything that we've picked up.
Yeah, I don't even know. So we just found some of these in our car that I know have been there at least a couple weeks.
Right.
I guess let's start here. So just a thrift haul, things to sell on our online sites. Actually, Chris bought this.
I did buy this. This is the very first baseball bat.
It's really gross. It's in really bad shape, but
I'll put the comps up. The comps, when I looked them up, were going anywhere from like 150 to 300.
And there was some bad condition ones, I think, when you looked them up. This is gross to me.
Yeah, I'm sure that could all get cleaned up.
New grip. I don't know how you clean bats, but I also don't know how you
tell if it's good.
It's still good or not. So
yeah.
What was this? $5.99. Yeah. So
figured we'd take a gamble with the potential upside on it.
Worst case, we learn a lesson for $6 and we learn about bats.
And I have a really cool baseball bat that I'll never use.
Best case, we make some money. So that should be fun. I have been wanting to get into bats because they're at every thrift store. I just didn't know where to start.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
It's weird because there was another one there that I could have sworn would be worth money because it looked like it had the same kind of grip, like maybe from the same donator. And I'm like, oh, well, if one's worth a lot, maybe this one is too. But it was worth like $6. So
it is weird how bats are like that. I did find these, which at first I was like, dang, $7. But I did scan them, the barcodes, on my eBay app. These, because they're new, we're going for about $30, but that's including shipping. Like, everybody priced these as free shipping, so I'll probably do the same when I list them. But anywhere from 28 to 32 were the sold comps. I just scanned them earlier today, I think, and there was 5 listed and 15 sold. So that's a really good sell-through. These should sell fast. They're just Orthaheel, which is now known as Bionic, or I don't know if Orthaheel still exists just as like an insole. I don't know.
Right.
Anyways, these are a really good insole, so that's why they're worth $30 each, but I did pay $7 each, and again, that was free shipping, so these are probably going to cost around $6 to ship out.
It makes it easy when there's the barcode.
Yeah.
You can just...
But I also can do one listing for 2 items, and I love that.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
All right. Got a couple clothing items. I'm trying to be pickier with the clothes. I still love selling shoes the most. But I can't pass up a good jacket.
Shoes and shackets are your favorite.
Yeah. I can't remember if I did pay full price for this. Probably $7, but I think these were still going for about $30 plus shipping. That's Freedom Foundry size XL. And this one I was calling a jacket, but it doesn't have pockets.
Those aren't pockets?
No.
Oh.
Ow, that pet just fell on my toe. Yeah, no pockets. Womp womp. I'm still calling it a jacket, but... Alright, and this... I like selling this brand. It doesn't always go for a ton, but Alaskan Hard Gear, men's large. It's a nice, like a utility shirt. It has like venting in it and stuff, similar to like a PFG. This is a way nicer quality than a PFG Columbia shirt. I think I can get around 25 to 30 plus shipping on that, and I paid $6, so not horrible. Got some shoes. These I'm positive were half off. I wouldn't have paid $10 for these. They're Vans. They definitely need wipe down on the rubber, but for the most part in pretty good shape. They're like a pink and purple camo, kid size 3. I think those should sell 25 to 30 once I wipe down the rubber on those. And these, okay, so Salvation Army, that's where I got those. They mark up some things. Their regular price shoes are $5.99, so these were on the regular price shelf, even though they're like basically brand new kids.
Man, look at those shoestrings.
Yeah, so these are a women's size 8.5. So I think those should sell around 30 plus shipping.
It's like a I was gonna say it looks like a lasagna noodle. Like they're so wide.
They are. I kind of.
I don't think I've ever seen shoes. This is comical. It's so funny.
This is not a super high-end brand or anything. I don't even know what they cost new, but I think I can get around $25 plus shipping out of them, and they were in good enough shape. The brand is Spenco. They seem like they have a good arch in them. I feel like I've sold some mules or clogs of these, but just not sandals. So, yeah, we'll see how those do. I don't know why I keep piling stuff over there like there's any room. These are Lacoste shoes. So I've sold a lot of Lacoste clothes, but not shoes. These ones are dusty, so I'm gonna throw them in the washing machine. They're basically just a mesh, and this is like a rubber, so it should not mess the shoes up at all. I just wash them on cold and then air dry them. But yeah, these are nice. Men's size 10, no, UK 10, US 11, men's 11. I didn't look them up, but for $5.99, I decided to take a chance. I'm sure it's 30 plus. Probably more on those. What is this? Oh yeah. We didn't show these yet?
No, I found those at the bottom of everything in our trunk.
I feel like we showed them something that was. Those are those Coach glasses on one of our other hauls. These are Tory Burch glasses. So yeah, after we found the Coach glasses a couple times ago, now I always look at this sunglass wall, because why not? All the glasses are priced super cheap. These were $2.99.
Wait, are you talking those Oakley glasses?
Oh yeah, Oakley.
Oakley, Coach. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Oakley glasses. So same spot is where we found these. They have all the glasses, just like
different times, right?
Yes.
Like we went another day and found these there.
Yeah, I just normally never looked at glasses until that day, and now I'm like, why not? Because everything's like $3.
It's like right in the line where you're standing there anyway, so it's an easy way to see it.
Fit. I mean, they have a size on them. I guess maybe I have a big head. I don't know, but they do not fit me like at all. So, anyways. I do believe they're adult size, just a smaller adult head than mine. But I think, do you remember we did look up comps?
We
like
did.
40
I
to
can't
50,
remember. It's been a little while.
So
they seem decent, but I don't think it was any exact comps.
Yeah.
There was some different color scheme.
We didn't find the white with the red.
Yeah, which I think that one's cooler than the ones that they had.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Listed, yeah.
So that was a cool find.
It reminds me of like Lady Gaga.
And that being said, there's no rhyme or reason to these bags. Some were in our car for weeks.
I literally just pulled half of them out of the trunk like 30 minutes ago.
These are Skechers Rothy kind of lookalikes, but really good shape. They actually don't even look worn. Women's size 8. These should probably sell for $30 to $35 plus shipping. I did find these men's Choco there. These are size 10. I like these kind of Chacos for men. They are mesh, so they can probably be worn like in a, what is that called? I was going to say trail, but I'm talking about like a water, like a creek or something.
Yeah.
You could probably walk through a creek. And these are just trail walking, so those are pretty nice. I think I can get $40 to $50 for those plus shipping. And then these, I've never sold this brand, but these were half off, so $7. It's just Pony. But they were in really good shape, so figured this is the best chance to take, I guess. If they sell fast, I'll know for next time to grab them. So yeah, that was mostly Salvation Army, but not all. I don't want to break these. Put them up there with the other sunglasses I've never listed. So this all came from one time, I think, and then this I actually just bought today. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen at least my basket full. I didn't really say too much about them. These are Asics, like the gel. The gel ones are mainly the ones I pick up now, unless they're like super cheap, like $5. And by gel, I just mean they have this like on the bottom of them. Not all Asics have the.
It is solid. It's not like an air pocket. Like
it's not like an air pocket, but like one time I accidentally put some of the goof off on it, and it really messed it up because it's like jelly feeling. But
right.
It's sturdy when it's how it's supposed to be. Anyways, these are men's 9.5. These should sell for 40 to 50, I would say. They're in really good shape. Like, the treads are really good. So that's why I grabbed those. I would normally pass, but at the price I paid on those ones anyways. But the rest of them I got today were fairly cheap, and I usually average my cost of goods if it's all the same. Like, these are all just shoes. So.
Right.
These were $15. They're New Balance, but they're basically brand new without box. They are a small size. Well, there are a 5, but that's a 5 girls, so I believe it would come out to about a 6.5 or 7 women's. I'll have to convert with New Balance's size chart, but I saw pre-owns going for about 40 plus ship, so I'm hoping for like 50 plus ship on these. So 15 into 50 is it?
Yeah, and they've got that boa, which is
that's kind of why I grabbed them.
Yeah, I think you pull that out to.
They had these in the glass case by the register. I asked if I could see how much, and then I always feel bad asking him to put it back if it's. I felt like 15 was a good price for the brand new and everything. So.
Right.
Those are super easy listing. I love easy listings, so.
Yeah, look out for that boa. That's something to look out for, especially on like cycling shoes.
Yeah.
It's, I guess, normally higher quality shoes.
I mean, it's pretty cool because you can tie them exactly. Laces come untied, but this should put it really tight for you. Some Nobles, really good brand. The ones I have listed haven't been selling, but I think I have them super high price, so I probably need to drop those prices and then also price these a little lower, but these are men's 6.5 or women's 8. Just a navy blue, like a training sneaker. I don't know, I want to say 50 to 60, but I could still be over exaggerating their price. I've sold some. The knit ones go for a lot. They have, like, how Nike has a fly knit, Noble has like a knit sneaker, and those ones usually go for like 100. These Timberlands have a tiny bit of wear on the toes, but they only have these priced at $10, which is really good for Timberlands at the thrift store. They usually price them up to like 20 plus. So nice black, super soft leather. These are a women's 8.5, and they're like the super lightweight ones. So nice compared to the big clunky Timberlands that most people probably think of.
Yeah.
And then these are Dansko. I don't really like the style of these at all, but look at these, they're like brand new. So that's why I grabbed them. And yellow was the 30% off, so I paid $7. They're still probably 35 to 40, so I grabbed them even though I personally don't like them.
Did you check comps on them at all?
I didn't, because you were waiting in the car for me. So I try to hurry if they're waiting on me. I specifically went to the thrift store today because if you did watch my Instagram stories, I saw a pair of shoes a couple days ago when I only had like 5 minutes. I literally ran in and I was like, if I see anything worth $50 or more, I'll get in line and grab it. But I didn't see it right off the bat. I just saw one pair of cool looking shoes that were like an UGG sneaker. They look just like a Hoka.
Yeah.
I didn't look up comps that day because I was like, Goodwill wanted $30. I was like, it's not even worth it. Boots barely even sell for 50 to 60 anymore, so I didn't look up comps. Today I found the photo that I had took that day in my phone. I was like, let me just look these up for fun, and I did. And like, there were some sold over $100 for pre-owned.
You made that mistake.
Yeah, so it's like, okay, I gotta go back and at least see if they're there, which they were, but I did get those 5 pairs. So that's overall will probably profit more, but still bummed I didn't take a chance on the other one.
And you were only in there maybe 30, 45 minutes max.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are Nike foam posits. These are youth size, I believe. 5.5 youth. Yeah, I like this colorway. It's kind of like the red, white, and blue Olympic style. So I know I bought these a few weeks ago and I don't remember the comps, but I think they were like 50 to 60, I want to say, but I could be off. These I feel like were about an $80 comp. They're like a nice Polo Ralph Lauren. What are these called? I thought it was Desmond, but I think it's Damon. Damon? I don't know.
Damon, maybe?
It's Demond, maybe. Damon.
Is that like Damon John from Fubu?
I thought Damon was with an A, but...
D-A-M-O-N? I don't know.
It's a D-E, yeah.
Okay.
So it looks like Demon D. Anyways, these are a men's size 10 boot. Yeah, good shape. So these I did pay up for. I think I paid $19 for these. But I think I can sell them for around 80. So size 10 is a good size. And I bought these because camo cargos have been doing well and still have a really high sell-through rate. So these are American Eagle, paid $6. I think they should sell for 25 to 30 plus shipping really fast. And the really fast is more important than the $10 to $15 profit to me. So these, you're probably like, ew, those are disgusting. Why would you buy those? And I thought that too. Well, I didn't, because I've sold so many of these ugly, nasty Skechers that I'm just like, put them in the cart. But yeah, these are totally like Y2K.
Platforms, huh?
Yeah, I'm definitely gotta wipe these down, but...
Show me the bottoms. What's that?
The yellowing on the rubber is so gross to me.
What's that a picture of? Just a singer?
Doing this or something. It looks like...
It almost looks...
Reminds me of like Spice Girls or something.
Sailor Moon or something.
That's kind of... Anyways, so these were $10.99. I can't remember if purple was on sale this day, but... Yeah, these should sell for around $50, even in their current condition, so... Yeah. Don't ask me why. These are Doc Martens. Good shape minus some dust on the insoles. These are men's 8 or women's 9. I can't pass up Doc Martens. These were priced at $10.99. If they were like $20, I would have passed, but any shoes under $12, I pretty much will grab if they're gonna sell for any decent price. So these I think I can get 35 to 40 out of. They're not the most desirable Doc Marten. I wish they were the lace-up black leather boots, but
right.
I did also get a second pair of Doc Martens, so same thing. These were $10.99, hoping for around 40 or so.
In the same trip?
Yeah,
so
these
2 pairs
all came from the same trip. Yeah, this was a good trip. Like all these shoes came from the same day. And then I leave them in my car for weeks. These aren't Skechers, but I think these are really nice. I just like the knit shoes. They're super lightweight and comfortable. These are men's.
Try to get in closer so the knit.
Yeah, just like
kind of looks like the fly knit.
Yeah, like a mesh. They're just so lightweight. Like these are men's 13 and probably weigh less than a pound total for both shoes. I think I can get about 35 or so out of those. This is a new to me brand. Like I knew to look out for it, but I have never found it before. And I feel like the comps on these were like $80. They're not in super good shape, so maybe a little less, but definitely look out for Vessi. I don't know if that's how you say it, but yeah. Pre-owned comps on these are really good. I don't know how much they cost new, but these are very dirty. You can see I'm gonna throw these in the washing machine, so. And then just a kid-sized pair of Chaco sandals, which usually sell right around 30 or so plus shipping. So, yeah.
Very nice.
Not bad at all.
Not too bad. So, yeah, that's, I guess no rhyme or reason, like we were saying, just kind of stuff that we've had in the car.
The reason is because I like shoes mostly.
Well, yeah.
Sometimes I'm just walking to the shoes and I see camo and I have to look at it and then I just have to buy it.
Yeah.
Or sometimes I'm walking to the register and see a jacket and I have to buy it. So. And I definitely have to buy any sort of insoles that have ortho-heel technology. So.
And I just had to buy a baseball bat.
You just had to.
Anyway, guys, what do you think about that haul? I'm excited to actually dive in and look a little bit more at that baseball bat. Like how to test it. I don't know. Like I know sometimes it could break. It didn't sound bad. But luckily, Kathy found a lot of shoes that will make up for it if that is a bad buy or not. But anyway, guys, that's some stuff that we're going to be listing here in the next few days. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all the support, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.